Vic. Thank you po. Yeah. Sana po magustuhan niyo yung movie.
Thank you, Sarah. And the reigning box office king, Mr. Piolo Pascual!
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Salamat kahit na-traffic po tayo lahat. Sa lahat po na nagmamahal at sa lahat po ng nandito. Yes! Amazing. I love you more. Thank you po. Thank you po. Sana ma-enjoy niyo yung pelikula. Thank you po.
Thank you! Ayan po, rated A by CEB and rated PG by the MTRCB. Okay? Clear na natin ito. Ang dami ko ng co-host, to. Nandito ka na sila, oh. Kapatid ko na. Ayan, everyone clear. Ayan, clear na natin. Ibigyan natin ang pagdilan for the interview.
Pero excited kami kasi
wow, we're over
talagang
flowing tonight.
pinaganda na mabuti kong pelikula ito. I hopefully ma-appreciate ng mga tao.
Yes, we're so excited. Finally, sa tagal na nga may shooting.
Again, tomorrow na pang big day in 180 cinemas nationwide. The breakup playlist from Star Cinema and Viva Films, directed by Direct Dan Villegas, from the script of two brilliant minds of Chris Guzman and Direct Tonette Downey.
Yung box queen.
At syempre kasama rin natin Basti Artadi sa cast, Anika Dolonius,
Frustrated comedian.
the beautiful, the talented Chris Villonco, Diego Loizaga, Maurice Racal, Ana Luna, Jed Pangan, Teddy Corpus, Badgie Ortiz, Dennis Padilla, Miss Rio Locsin, and of course Piolo and
Para mas maganda yung selfie.
Okay, missed you.
Okay, clear po natin. Siguro na sa akin ikaw. Okay, please say a word, anything, for the music of the movie, as we open tomorrow. It's the biggest relationship drama movie of the year.
Okay, clearing na ba? Clearing tayo.
And thank you sa ating mga listeners for music play a big part in the story of this.
Okay, pagkaupo ko isang shot. Sige, go. Para start na tayo.
Tita Marie there, Olive. And Ross is there, so alam na yung having fun with the people. Because the Indian boss is required, thank you. And the rest of the
Okay, isang shot lang.
Okay na po.
Okay.
Okay, go,